2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE represents a bold new chapter for Mercedes, replacing the C-Class Coupe and E-Class Coupe with one refined grand tourer. It's a car designed to blend elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology in one sleek package. Let's dissect it from front to back, then explore what's under the hood and inside the cabin. At the front, the CLE immediately catches the eye with its wide, low stance. A large Mercedes star sits proudly in the center of the diamond pattern grille, giving the car a premium yet sporty identity. The grille design is modern and aggressive without being overdone. The LED headlights are striking, showcasing Mercedes' latest lighting signature. They are slimmer than before, flowing seamlessly into the sculpted hood lines. The hood itself features subtle power bulges, hinting at the performance beneath its surface. Lower down, the front bumper integrates wide air intakes that enhance cooling and visual width, giving the CLE a confident and commanding presence on the road. From the side, the CLE truly shines. The long hood and short rear deck create classic coupe proportions, while the sloping roofline adds elegance and a dynamic feel even when stationary. The frameless doors are a key highlight, reinforcing the CLE's coupe identity. Clean character lines flow seamlessly from the front fenders to the rear, avoiding unnecessary creases. Large alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches, giving the car a sporty look without sacrificing refinement. Overall, the side profile balances athleticism and luxury admirably. At the rear, the CLE adopts a minimalist yet sophisticated design. Sleek LED taillights stretch horizontally, visually widening the car and giving it a modern Mercedes presence, especially at night. The rear bumper is clean and sculpted, with integrated dual exhaust outlets adding a touch of performance. A subtle diffuser element ties everything together, while the gently curved trunk lid maintains the flowing coupe design language. Elegant, modern, and unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE offers a range of 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines, all enhanced with mild hybrid technology. This setup improves efficiency while delivering smooth, responsive power, brisk acceleration, comfortable cruising, and a driving experience that leans more towards sporty luxury than overly aggressive. Power is delivered through a smooth automatic transmission with standard rear-wheel drive and optional all-wheel drive for greater traction and confidence. The CLE is designed as a grand tourer, fast, comfortable, and quiet on long journeys, yet engaging enough for spirited driving. Climb inside and the CLE's cabin feels like a blend of modern technology and classic Mercedes luxury. The dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display setup, combining a crisp digital instrument cluster with a large central infotainment screen. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a premium ambiance, especially at night. Materials feel luxurious throughout, with soft-to-touch surfaces, metal accents, and high-quality upholstery. The center console is clean and driver-focused, featuring a modern touchscreen interface and elegant trim. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering excellent support for long journeys. Despite being a coupe, the CLE boasts a highly functional cabin, making it practical enough for everyday driving while still feeling special every time you get behind the wheel. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE is more than just a replacement for the old coupe. It's a refined evolution. It delivers a striking design, advanced technology, and a driving experience that perfectly balances luxury and performance. If you're looking for a stylish coupe that feels modern, premium, and undeniably Mercedes-Benz, the CLE may be one of the most compelling choices in its class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.